Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can delete your Word Connect account. So let's get started. First of all, open the Word Connect app on your device. Now tap on the gear icon. Then select account. Here you can find delete account option. Tap on it and then select the button just in front of the I have read and agreed to the terms above, and then select confirm. Then tap on delete button again. Now after you type delete account on the box and confirm the action, your account will be deleted. And that's it. This is how you can delete your account on Word Connect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another gaming update.